Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account very easily in less than a minute. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is of course log into your Microsoft Teams account and then click on your profile icon in the top right and then click on My Microsoft Account. Now it will load the My Microsoft Account webpage. So here we'll just have to go to your info. And then once you have entered into your info, you will find yourself redirected in this page. So scroll down a bit until you find close account. And then once you click on close account, you will be redirected to another page and then click on close account right here again. And then you will have to fill out some informations like why you are closing your account, what this implies, etc. Just confirmation that you want to close your account, and that's it. But just for your information, be careful because you cannot delete only the Microsoft Teams account, you can delete the Microsoft account, but not only the Microsoft Teams account because this is just not possible. So be careful, you might lose all your personal data if you try to delete your Microsoft account. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.